conversations based on that content. So you create real value from the content that we talked about, and then you can tie it to a resource or a low ticket product or something free that makes whatever you just talked about easier or faster. And then you can use a keyword call to action in order to engage people. And so a keyword call to action, there's two ways to do it. You can either ask people to comment a specific word, and then you go and manually answer each person and give them the thing that they asked for. And this is a lot easier. On a lot of platforms, you can't really add links. Some platforms you can, like LinkedIn and Facebook. In the comments, you can add links and they're going to work. But on platforms like TikTok or Instagram, links won't work. The only link that you're allowed to put is in your stories and in your profile, in your bio. And so if people are directly in the content and they want to get your thing, but they don't want to get out of the flow of scrolling through stuff, they can put a comment and then you can get back to them later. You can also automate this process with ManyChat. I believe there's a free pricing plan that allows you to get up to 25 contacts per month. So you can play around with it, see if you enjoy it. But it is definitely possible to do this manually. And when you do this manually, you're also able to have manual conversations, like real actual life conversations with people, which if you are a coach that is just getting started, like the more conversations you can have, the faster you'll be actually able to nail down your process and book some clients. And so, example, like comment stress if you want my stress reduction cheat sheet, and I'll send it to you for free. So what do you do from there? So we have two options, and it kind of depends on where you're at. So if you really need clients right now and you want faster cash flow, I'll talk about option 2 first. I should have put that as option 1, but you can, when they comment the keyword, you can DM them, you can ask a few clarifying questions. Then you can send them the resource without them actually opting in with their email address. And so you just send them the link to the actual resource. So whether it's a video that is like unlisted on YouTube or a Google Doc or whatever thing it is. And then inside the resource, you can have a more detailed CTA and link to your discovery call so that without you even asking, they may book a call, but you will be asking them if it makes sense to do so. I do want to add a caveat here that these qualifying questions and these conversations, it shouldn't feel like an interrogation. And this is where like kind of like some people will kind of feel icky about doing this, but it's okay. Like if somebody isn't really into it, like they're not, like they're just giving you short answers and they're hesitant, or they've got their shield up, you can just offer them the free resource anyway. You don't have to try to fight to have a conversation with them. And you can just let them come back when they're ready.